folks, I have a stock tenor instrument to show you. I'll be taking this to camp at Centrum next week, Port Townsend. And if it comes back, it'll be available here. It's a new wood for me. I know it kind of looks like mahogany, but this is actually a wood that in Hawaii they call Toon, T-O-O-N. And it's an Australian species that came in as an invasive species. So it's sometimes called Australian mahogany or Australian cedar. It's got a really beautiful dark red color. So I used it for top, back, and sides. It's got lots of bug holes in it. And the guy who gave me this wood, Casey, he said, we were talking about the bug holes, and he said, oh yeah, the bugs only eat the good stuff. So it's got a mahogany neck on this, and then walnut for everything else, and some simple walnut binding. Strung high G, bone nut and saddle, geared tuners, fluorocarbon strings. And it really is a nice balanced sound. Rich and warm but punchy. Really close to regular mahogany. So yeah, in Australia this wood is harder to come by now. They kind of logged it out, but in Hawaii it's an invasive. So Casey, who gave me this wood, actually is the forester of a really cool forest that's a nonprofit that's doing housing and food and medicine and all kinds of craft workshops for people. So a portion of this instrument sale will go to his nonprofit. I'll link to that in the description. So we're just happy and lucky to get a cool piece of wood like this. And I can get more of it. It might be one to examine as a good alternative to koa. Because we're not cutting any precious koa trees to make this. We're using what other people consider to be invasive. Yeah, feels really nice. It's just kind of everything I would want out of a tenor. So that's $885 stock instrument. Cheers.